Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In the journey of spiritual exploration and personal growth, the universe often communicates with us through symbols and numbers. One such powerful symbol is the master number 22, a mystical and transformative force that holds the potential for profound spiritual evolution and manifestation. If you're open-minded and eager to unlock the secrets of spiritual growth and self-improvement, embracing the energy of master number 22 can be a life-changing endeavor. Master numbers are those that possess unique vibrational frequency and a heightened significance in the realm of numerology. Among them, master number 22 stands out as the master builder. It carries the combined energies of master number 11 and master number 4. As a result, master number 22 represents the bridge between the spiritual and the material, making it a potent force for manifesting your dreams and aspirations. In the world of spirituality, the number 22 is often associated with the principles of balance, harmony, and universal love. It encourages you to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with higher spiritual ideals. By doing so, you can create a harmonious connection between your inner world and the external universe, paving the way for greater spiritual growth. To fully embrace and channel the energy of master number 22, it's essential to embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Here are 7 key steps to get you started on your path to harnessing this powerful energy. Step 1. Cultivating self-awareness is the foundation of manifesting your dreams. In the quiet moments of reflection, we find the fertile ground where self-awareness takes root. It is here that we shed the layers of expectation and societal conditioning and embrace the authentic essence that is uniquely ours. This self-discovery is an act of courage, a declaration that we are worthy of understanding and nurturing our inner selves. It is a journey that requires patience and compassion, for in the depths of self-awareness, we may encounter aspects of ourselves that demand healing and growth. Yet, it is precisely in this vulnerability that we discover our greatest strength. As the layers peel away, we are met with a clearer reflection of who we are and who we have the potential to become. The desires that have long stirred within us come to the forefront, eager to be acknowledged and pursued. With each revelation, we inch closer to the manifestation of our dreams. The universe responds to this newfound clarity, aligning its energies with our intentions. We become co-creators of our destiny, weaving the threads of our aspirations into the fabric of reality. Embracing self-awareness is not merely a journey, but a sacred odyssey of self-love and acceptance. It is a testament to our worthiness of a life that resonates with our truest selves. As we venture deeper into this realm, we unlock a reservoir of potential, and in doing so, we set in motion a cascade of transformation that ripples through every facet of our existence. So, dear seeker, let the light of self-awareness guide your way, for it is the compass that leads to the manifestation of your most cherished dreams. Key step number 2. Defining your goals and aspirations with precision is like charting a course through life's vast ocean with a well-calibrated compass. The energy of 22 resonates with clarity and focus, acting as a guiding star on your journey of self-discovery and manifestation. When you take the time to articulate your dreams in vivid detail, you empower yourself to create a magnetic pull toward their realization. It's akin to sharpening the lens through which you view your future, allowing you to see the path ahead more clearly. With this newfound clarity, your actions become purposeful and your intentions gain strength, enabling you to channel your energy more effectively toward your objectives. Precision in your aspirations acts as a beacon, drawing the universe's attention to your dreams and desires. By defining your goals with meticulous clarity, you are essentially telling the universe exactly what you seek, and in response, it conspires to assist you in ways you might never have imagined. So, as you embark on this profound journey of self-discovery and manifestation, remember that precision in your goals is not just a task. It's a gift you give yourself, an invaluable tool for shaping your destiny and realizing your deepest aspirations. Simply wishing for something does not guarantee its manifestation. Manifestation involves more than just desiring a specific outcome. It often requires a combination of intention, action, belief, and alignment with the energy of your goals. Be specific. While money itself can bring temporary happiness, true fulfillment often comes from aligning your actions and intentions with your deeper life values and purpose. A single dollar, while a small financial gain, is unlikely to bring sustained happiness on its own. Happiness and contentment are often derived from experiences, relationships, personal growth, and a sense of purpose rather than the mere accumulation of wealth. Key step number 3. Embracing the radiant essence of universal love and harmony is a transformative journey that resonates at the core of our being. When we choose to operate from a space of genuine care and service towards others, we become conduits for the sublime energies embodied by Master number 22. This conscious alignment not only fosters a deeper connection with the world around us, but it also elevates our own existence. It allows us to transcend the boundaries of self and touch the lives of those we encounter. Every act, no matter how small, becomes a ripple in the vast ocean of positivity and compassion. In these moments, we glimpse the profound impact that love can have, both on our own souls and on the collective consciousness. As we navigate this beautiful journey, let us remember that in offering kindness and service, we are, in fact, creating a tapestry of light that illuminates the path for others to follow. May our actions always be guided by the gentle wisdom of universal love, and may we find solace in knowing that, through our deeds, we are sowing seeds of hope, understanding, and unity in the world. Key step number 4 is discipline. Are you disciplined enough to drink 8 glasses of water per day? Are you disciplined enough to eat at least one big healthy meal per day? Are you disciplined enough to feed your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations every day? Are you disciplined enough to meditate and visualize at least for 15 minutes per day? Have you ever tried it for at least 3 months or a year? Have you noticed any changes? Discipline is crucial, especially nowadays. The practical aspect of Master Number 22, rooted in the influence of Number 4, carries a profound message that underscores the value of discipline and hard work in our personal and spiritual journeys. It serves as a gentle reminder that while embracing the mystical and spiritual aspects of our path is essential, it is through the practical application of these principles that we can truly manifest our dreams. This wisdom encourages us to approach our goals with a steadfast commitment, recognizing that sustained effort and dedication are the building blocks of transformation. When we embrace discipline and persevere through challenges, we tap into the transformative power of Master Number 22, gradually shaping our dreams into tangible realities. This aspect of the number teaches us that, just like a skilled craftsman, we must patiently chisel away at our goals, trusting that the intricate design of our desires will emerge over time. In doing so, we honor the profound synergy between the spiritual and the practical, and we learn that success is not only attainable but also deeply rewarding when nurtured with diligence and determination. Key step number 5. In the pursuit of harnessing the energy of Master Number 22, it's crucial to recognize the beautiful synergy between discipline and patience. They are like 2 steadfast companions on your journey towards spiritual growth and manifestation. Patience, in particular, emerges as a radiant virtue, illuminating the path ahead. It reminds us that the universe dances to its own rhythm, and our aspirations are woven into its grand tapestry. Trust becomes our guiding star, gently urging us to believe that every effort, every intention, is a seed planted in the fertile soil of time. With unwavering faith in this sacred process, we find solace in knowing that our endeavors will bear fruit in their own divine season. In the quiet moments of waiting, we discover a profound inner strength, a resilience that blooms like a rare and cherished flower. So, let patience be your gentle companion, cradling your dreams in its tender embrace as you walk the path illuminated by Master Number 22's radiant energy. Trust, have faith, and know that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Key step number 6. In your pursuit of spiritual growth and self-improvement, remember that seeking guidance is a sign of strength, not of weakness. Embracing the wisdom offered by spiritual mentors, insightful books, and enriching workshops can be a transformative step on your journey. Additionally, surrounding yourself with a community of kindred spirits who share your spiritual aspirations can provide invaluable support and encouragement. Our YouTube community, in particular, serves as a beacon of light, fostering a space of shared learning and growth. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our wonderful community and extend a warm welcome to all our new subscribers. Your presence here is truly appreciated, and your engagement with our content, discussions, and shared experiences enriches this space in ways words cannot fully capture. To our long-standing community members, thank you for your unwavering support, insightful comments, and the positive energy you bring to our discussions. Your commitment to personal growth and spiritual exploration serves as an inspiration to all of us. And to our new subscribers, we're thrilled to have you join us on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Your fresh perspectives and unique insights will undoubtedly contribute to the vibrant tapestry of our community. Together, we create a sanctuary where knowledge is shared, questions are explored, and growth is nurtured. As we continue to learn from each other and walk this path of self-improvement and spiritual enlightenment, let us remember that our collective energy is a force for positive change in the world. So, once again, thank you to our cherished community members and a warm welcome to our new subscribers. Your presence here is a gift, and I look forward to the meaningful conversations and shared growth that lie ahead. Here, you have the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who are also on a quest for deeper understanding and self-realization. Together, you create a tapestry of collective wisdom and compassion, each thread strengthening the whole. So, don't hesitate to lean on this network of caring souls, for in doing so, you'll find solace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, you are not alone on this path, and by reaching out, you open yourself to a world of limitless possibilities and profound connections. Key step number 7. Expressing gratitude daily for the blessings in your life is a practice that not only enriches your soul, but also enhances the world around you. Gratitude is like a magical thread that weaves through the fabric of your existence, connecting you with the profound beauty and abundance that surrounds us all. When you take a moment each day to acknowledge the blessings, both big and small, you invite a sense of contentment and serenity into your life. This act of recognition magnifies the positive energy within you, filling your heart with warmth and your spirit with joy. Moreover, it creates a harmonious resonance with the universe, as if the cosmos itself responds to your appreciation by bestowing even more blessings upon you. In this symbiotic relationship between gratitude and manifestation, you become a co-creator of your destiny, shaping your reality through the lens of thankfulness. So, embrace the daily ritual of gratitude, and let it be a beacon of light guiding you on your journey towards a more fulfilling and abundant life. Now, Master number 22 holds the key to profound spiritual growth and powerful manifestation. By understanding its significance and incorporating its principles into your life, you can unlock your full potential and create a life that aligns with your deepest desires. Embrace the energy of Master number 22 and watch as your spiritual journey unfolds in remarkable ways. In the next installment, we will delve deeper into specific techniques and practices for harnessing the energy of this master number. Stay tuned for more insights on your path to spiritual enlightenment and personal transformation. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future